and I saw one of my friends wearing these sweatpants that looked really cool. And I was like, "Oh, where'd you get those?" And he was like, "They are for wildfire relief in Australia." I was like, "That is such a good idea. I am going to do that for the California wildfires." And yeah, Campus Ink helped me do that.
Everybody. So today I'm here with Maddie, and she's going to talk about one of the really interesting fundraisers that she did through Campus Inc. So, Maddie, if you just want to introduce yourself, talk a little bit about it, say where you're from, just go right ahead.
Yeah, my name is Maddie. I am a junior at Wisconsin-Madison, and I am from San Francisco, California. Being from California, a lot of my friends and family are affected by the wildfires that kept persisting this year, and they've been happening for a few years now. And they've been super devastating to the California community. And I wanted to do something that helped raise money for wildfire relief. And so I found this wildfire relief fund called California Wildfire Relief Fund. And I was like donating money to them and stuff. But I was thinking that how could I spread the message about this more? And I saw one of my friends wearing these sweatpants that looked really cool. And I was like, "Oh, where'd you get those?" And he was like, "They are for wildfire relief in Australia." And they had like all these cool, like Save Australia and like the Australia flag. And I was like, "Those are really cool." And during, quarantining, everyone wants to wear sweats all the time. I was like, "That is such a good idea. I am going to do that for the California wildfires." So that's why I wanted to create these sweats. And yeah, Campus Ink helped me do that.
That's really cool. I really think it's awesome that you had that idea, especially just with everything going on right now. Like it's super crazy. So how did you actually like get in touch with Campus Inc. and how did you hear about us?
Yeah, so I absolutely had no idea how to figure out how to like actually put my design idea onto sweats. And I was talking to my friend who's in my sorority with me, who is in charge of our merch orders for DG. And she was like, "Oh, I work with Campus Inc. Actually, our friend Henry Gustafson works there, and he and I are good friends." And so I reached out to him and I was like, "Hi, I hear you work at Campus Inc. Do you think you could help me design some sweats?" And he was like, "Yeah, for sure." And he helped me figure out that I could also like donate the money directly from the Campus Inc. website, or like the website order, to the California Wildfire Relief Fund. So he made it super easy for me.
Yeah, so I think that is something really cool that Campus Inc. does have to offer. It makes it
Totally.
super easy to fundraise on both sides. How much of the percentage from each pair of sweats went to the fund that you picked?
22% of the hoodies and then 33% of the sweatpants. So in total, we raised $1,300 for the
Oh
wildfire
my
fund.
gosh, that's crazy. That's
Yeah,
really awesome. Oh my
I know,
gosh.
it's super awesome.
So did you come up with the design or like how did that process work for you?
Yeah, so I've seen this like little bear holding a California state with the "I love you California" all over California, and so I researched like common California logos, and this whole like logo, the bear and the "I love you California," is part of a regional anthem for California that talks about how beautiful the state is. And like I guess they sing this song at funerals for like California governors and like politicians and stuff. So it's a very important symbol of California, and I really liked the design idea. And then on the sides, these are California poppies, which I feel like since they're the state flower, they represent like hope and strength. So I wanted to kind of incorporate all of that, and then to touch on the wildfires and like pay tribute to the firefighters. I put this little if you can see, this little firefighter helmet on the bear. So it's kind of like all different California symbols plus a little wildfire.
That's
Fire.
awesome. So basically, did you just talk to Henry then about like your vision and then he put it all together?
Yeah, I had this super rough draft of what I thought would look cool, and he was like, "Okay, let me do a little something with it, help you out, and then send it back to you." And we collaborated a lot. It was super awesome working with him because we were in touch a lot about what he thought was a good design idea, and then I'd be like, "Okay, I really like that, but can we change to that?" And he was just super easy to work with, and the website that like Campus Inc. website had so many different options for like which color I wanted the sweats to be, and so he made it super simple, and I definitely could not have just done this on my own.
Yeah, I really do think it's such a nice thing that we have like students because I feel like it's easy to get in touch with, and just the fact that you kind of feel like it's your design as well. Like, even if
Yeah.
you didn't necessarily put all the pieces together, like you came up with it, you
Mhm.
collaborated, and it does still feel like your own. So I think that that's something too that's like super rewarding for our customers. So
Totally.
so happy to hear that you really enjoyed how it came out. Like it looks great. Like that's so
Thank you. Yeah, it was super rewarding because I don't know, I would walk around, like, the first day I got the sweats, my sister was in town, and, all my roommates had also ordered the sweats, and we, like, walked around Madison in our sweats, like, showing them off, and so we got so many compliments, like, "That is such a cool design," like, "Wow, that's such high quality material," and I was like, "I am really proud that I did this," but, like, it was so awesome to have Henry to just walk me through all of it, help me out with it because it looks a lot better than I could have done.
Yeah, and I didn't even think about that too, like for you being from California, but then also going to school in Wisconsin, I'm sure that you were able to get a bunch of different people from honestly all over to help
Yeah,
support the cause.
totally. It's kind of funny because I marketed them mostly through my Instagram, which
Mhm.
is people from home and then people from school, and people would repost my stories, like friends of friends of friends. Eventually got the link to this, and I'll see on like random people's like Snapchats and stuff, like their friend wearing a hoodie or like sweatpants, and I don't even know them. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's crazy that it's reached out that far. But
Yeah,
power of social
that
media.
that is super nice. That is one thing that we do. For those people who don't know, we just send an online store, so it's super easy to access. You can literally link it to your Instagram, your Snapchat, Facebook, anything. It's super easy to share around, and it also does let you know when the store closes, which is super nice too, because I think it kind of helps people actually like order it because they see, oh, I only have this much time left. So it's super
Yeah,
easy and
it was super
simple.
easy. Totally.
Well, I'm so happy that you met with me today. I really think you had a lot of great things to say. And obviously, the cause that you donated all the money to is amazing. And I
Thank
love the
you.
design. So thank you
Thanks.
so much for taking the time to meet with me and just
Yeah,
talk
thank you,
about
Catherine. Thanks for reaching out and coordinating.